Every second, 100 people die of old age, not of specific diseases, of aging itself. Scientists discovered that aging isn't one thing, it's 9 different biological processes, and we can slow them down. Today, we are breaking down the science of aging and what you can actually do to slow it down. Let's start with a basic fact: you are not the same person you were 7 years ago. Every cell in your body has been replaced. Your cells are constantly dying and being replaced. This is how your body regenerates. A young person's cells replace perfectly. New cells is identical to the old cell. An aging person cells replace with errors. New cell is a slightly damaged copy. Over decades, these errors accumulate. Your skin loses elasticity as collagen breaks down. Your muscles weaken as proteins degrade. Your brain slows as neurons die faster than they regenerate. Your immune system weakens as cells don't function optimally. This accumulation of cellular damage is aging. Scientists have identified 9 biological hallmarks of aging. Hallmark 1: Genomic instability. Your DNA constantly gets damaged. Usually, cells repair it, but with age, the repairs fail and mutations accumulate. Hallmark 2: Telomeric shortening. Telomeres are protective caps on your chromosomes. With each cell division, they shorten. When they are too short, the cell dies. Hallmark 3: Epigenetic changes. Your genes don't change, but which genes turn on off changes. Age flips the switches in a wrong way. Hallmark 4: Loss of proteostasis. Proteins misfold, broken proteins accumulate, your body can't clean them fast enough. Hallmark 5: Mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are your cell's power plants. With age, they fail. Cells lose energy. Hallmark 6: Cellular senescence. Cells age out, they stop dividing and accumulate. They are like zombie cells that won't die. Hallmark 7: Stem cells exhaustion. Stem cells regenerate your tissues. With age, they become exhausted. Regeneration fails. Hallmark 8: Altered nutrient sensing. Your cells can't sense nutrients properly. They make wrong decisions about growth and repair. Hallmark 9: Inflammation. Your immune system develops chronic low grade inflammation. This damages tissues. The 9 things compound, each makes the other worse. The system breaks down. Aging isn't controlled by one thing, it's controlled by genes, environment, lifestyle, luck, and timing. But recent research shows aging can be slowed and partially reversed. 3 mechanisms control aging. First mechanism: sirtuins. Sirtuins are proteins that act like cellular cleaners. They repair DNA, remove damaged protein, optimize mitochondria, extend lifespan. What activates sirtuins? Calorie restriction and fasting. Studies show people who eat less but nutritiously live longer. Their sirtuins are more active. Second mechanism is telomerase. Telomeres shorten with each cell divides. Eventually, cells can't divide anymore. But some cells produce telomerase, an enzyme that rebuilds telomeres. Most cells don't have telomerase, except immune cells and stem cells. What if we could activate telomerase in aging cells? Early studies suggest we might extend cellular lifespan. Mechanism 3: Cellular reprogramming. Here's the wild part: Yamanaka discovered that aging cells can be reprogrammed to young cells. He took old fibroblast cells and added a protein. The cells reverted to the stem cell rate, literally became young again. He won a Nobel Prize for this. Current research is going on to see can we partially reprogram cells to be younger without losing their functions. Early results say yes. Harvard researchers reversed aging in mice using partial reprogramming. The mice got younger. It is already working in animals. Here's what the science actually shows work to slow aging. First intervention is calorie restriction. Every single study shows it works. How the mechanism of calorie restriction works. It activates the sirtuins, improves metabolism, and reduces inflammation. By how much should we reduce calorie intake? By 10 to 20%. In humans, it is starting to show similar results. Second intervention is exercise. Evidence is rock solid. Exercise is the strongest intervention we have. How the mechanism works? It improves mitochondrial functions, reduces inflammation, and maintains muscles. But how much exercise is needed? 30 minutes exercise, moderate level, 5 times per week. Result is it adds 7 to 10 years to lifespan. Third intervention is sleep optimization. Evidence shows poor sleep accelerates aging, good sleep slows it. How the mechanism works? During sleep, glyphematic system clears brain toxins. But how much sleep is needed? 7 to 9 hours consistently. It results in adding 5 plus years to lifespan. Fourth intervention is stress reduction. Evidence shows chronic stress accelerates aging. The mechanism for this is stress hormones damage cells. How to stop it? Through meditation, yoga, and relationships. It results in adding 3 to 5 years. Fifth intervention is metformin drug. Evidence shows strongest anti-aging drug found so far. Originally used as diabetes medication. It was discovered by observing that diabetics on metformin age slower than non-diabetics. How the mechanism works? The drug activates AMPK energy sensor. It results in 5 to 10 years lifespan extension in animals. In humans, trials are ongoing and initial results are promising. Sixth intervention is NAD plus boosters. NAD is a molecule that declines with age. It controls sirtuins. Boosting NAD through NR supplements result in early animal studies show 10 to 20% lifespan extension. In humans, it is still in primary stages, but it shows promise. Seventh intervention is cellular reprogramming. Evidence shows that it works in animals. Human trials started in 2024. How the mechanism works? Partial reprogramming makes cells younger. Timeline is 5 to 10 years for human approval. Result is it could reverse aging in 10 to 30 years. In 10th year, you will have drug that slows aging by 50% or more. In 20 years, we might partially reverse aging. In 30 years, aging might be optional. If people stop dying of age, how does the society change? These aren't science fiction, these are questions we needed to answer now. Some countries are already preparing, like Singapore is funding aging research aggressively, Japan addressing its aging population, US NIH creating division for aging research. The billionaires aren't waiting. The billionaire Jeff Bezos' Altos Lab said $3 billion for cellular reprogramming and research. Brian's funding aging startups in $30 plus million. PayPal founder's company is targeting 120-year lifespan. This technology is coming. The question is, will it be for everyone or only the rich? Aging isn't destiny, it's a biological process with mechanisms we can alter and influence. You can't stop aging, but you can slow it down significantly. For free, we can exercise, sleep, stress reduction, and cellular awareness. For affordable, add metformin, NAD plus supplements. For rich, add cellular reprogramming, continuous monitoring, and personalized optimization. The trajectory is clear. The aging will become preventable. This decade will determine if everyone gets access or just the wealthy. If you want to explore the science shaping humans' longevity and future, subscribe to Strategic Minds. We break down the biology, ethics, and implications of breakthroughs that affect your life. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 6 pm IST. Thanks for watching.